Hello, my name is Dave Flook. I teach interactive design at Fanshawe College in London, Ontario. I run several small businesses, and I am the proud father of this little girl, Stevie Lee. I have personally experienced the injustice, frustrations, and inequalities of the family law courts while fighting to maintain my rights as a responsible dad. The duration of the proceedings thus far has been 1.5 years, and we have yet to go to trial. In this time period, I have felt alone, defeated, desperate, and confused. I feel like I have been systematically reduced to being nothing more than a money source and a visitor to my only child. I came home in early November of last year from an emotionally draining court experience. I wanted to give up. I felt depression sinking in. It was on day 3 of this bout of depression when I woke up and I said to myself, if I don't use every tool and skill that I have to actively fight out against this injustice, then by virtue of my inaction, I support this system. It was on day 3 that I put my skill set to good use and I started up NotAllDadsAreDeadbeats.com. The motivation behind this website was to essentially meet people in the same situation as me. Worse than the feeling of me being alone was the idea that other people are alone as well. I knew that if I applied myself, I could ease their pain to some degree. This is what I aimed to do. It has been 5 months since that 3rd day, and Not All Dads Are Deadbeats is stronger than ever. We have a collective membership of several hundred, which is spread out all across Canada. The website has seen close to 12,000 unique hits, and that number grows daily. We have created and are running campaigns to educate the public and to provide support for those in need. We also run kids' playgroups, regular seminars, and events. I have personally been on 4 radio shows, in several newspapers, and my blogs have been syndicated across dozens of fathers' rights websites. We are for the children, and we stand by every single word we say. Here's my proposal. I am personally issuing a public debate challenge on the subject of equal parenting and the current climate of the Canadian family law system. Courts in Canada, more often than not, award mothers with de facto custody, and in doing so, they turn proud, responsible fathers into nothing more than visitors in their own children's lives. The standard access that most dads can look forward to post-divorce or separation is every other weekend, and sometimes one weekend every 2 weeks. I, Dave Flook, am issuing a public challenge to anyone who is willing to defend the current practices of the family court system, specifically regarding child custody and access. The challenge goes out to politicians, lawyers, judges, Children's Aid Society employees, child welfare agency workers, and anyone directly connected to child welfare. With so many dads being systematically removed from their child's life, I am seeking accountability. I presume that someone can defend the current decision-making process and implementation of the laws that are enacted. I proudly speak on behalf of tens of thousands of parents when I say that I can publicly defend the need for equal parenting in the family law system. My question to those who construct the laws, the politicians, those who enforce the laws, the judges, those who perpetuate the laws, the lawyers, and those who show no remorse or unquestioningly abide by these laws, such as the children's aid workers. I ask all of you, can you defend your actions? Can you stand by your policies? Do you, in good conscience, support the family law system? And can you endorse it in a public forum? If you are one of the aforementioned instigators or perpetuators of the Canadian family law system that disregards equality in parenting, then show your integrity by standing up for your beliefs. Here is your opportunity to show people like me why the current family court system should be considered just and acceptable. This isn't an easy challenge for me to propose. I am personally putting my reputation on the line. Furthermore, I am putting my money where my mouth is. I have created an account specific to this challenge in which I have placed $100 of my own money. I will also be accepting donations from anyone who wants to contribute financially. The money will be awarded to you in full, in cash, should you win the debate. The debate will be held at the Wolf Performance Hall in London, Ontario on Tuesday, September 15th. The hall seats 369 people in a theater-style seating arrangement, and I assure you, it will be packed. We will be calling all media outlets and internet columnists to attend this debate. As it is in any good democracy, the majority will decide who wins the debate by means of casting their vote. This will be conducted in person on the 15th, via paper, and online for a duration of 2 weeks following the debate. The debate itself will be fair, honest, and you will be treated with the utmost respect. We will have a moderator from Western University or Fanshawe College overseeing the debate. Both parties will have an equal amount of time to deliver their debate topics and to respond to the opposition. Now, here's some considerations for this challenge. To apply, you must be a resident of Canada. The debate is in regards to proud and responsible fathers. Just note, not all dads or deadbeats does not speak for anyone who is abusive, neglectful, or otherwise harmful to children. You must be able to deliver your debate in front of a live audience. If approved, then a signature on a contract ensuring your participation will be required. Also note that this will be a free event. Not all dads or deadbeats will not be making any profit on ticket sales or products related to this event. Not all dads or deadbeats will ensure that the voting process is conducted on a professional level and that all votes will be counted by an independent third party. So, if you would like to apply, if you feel like you can justify your belief system in a public debate which will be judged by a democratic vote, then send an email to debate@notalldadsardeadbeats.com with the subject line, "I accept your challenge." In your email, be sure to specify the following: your name, your location, any professional affiliations such as the Law Society, your phone number and contact information, and a brief paragraph describing you and your motivations to participate in this challenge. I just want to personally express my respect for anyone who is willing to stand by their actions and come forth to take me up on this public challenge. For more information, please visit www.notalldadsardeadbeats.com or call me direct at area code 519-680-3932. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.